Yeah, we finally made it here to Turner and the Cascade High School. And about a 55-mile drive from Portland. Turned out to be a nice day, nice drive. So let's go take a look at the show.
Yeah, looks like the drive down here was worth it. Nice. That is blown. Yeah. Looks like a 34. Just guessing. Beautiful. It is a 33. I wouldn't know the difference. Hey, 35. Isn't that nice? Yeah, that's a beauty. First car show 2015, and everybody's shined up and ready to go. Yeah. It looks like Gary's Willie's, as far as the paint job goes. Pretty similar here. Yeah. I'm going to say it's a 31 with a 32 grill. It's a 30 body, but can't tell the difference. But look at here, a little a rat rod of the utmost. That's what I needed, somebody like that to clean my wheels. Oh, how cute. Yeah. Don't know what it is, but it's interesting.
George Burns, I hear you just paid.
It is interesting.
George Burns.
Love that. Wow.
Explain this. We're negotiating on this toilet deal.
It's the air.
We got to keep this toilet moving. For those of you that don't know, it's the car.
Wow.
And there is another toilet, so there's two toilets available.
Look at the handle.
Check your goodie
I
bag.
like that. Sits up high. That's a pretty nice rods here today. And that's a 34. We can tell by the grill.
Well, that was a really interesting little show, the first one of the season. And as long as we're down here, we got time. It's only 1 o'clock. We could make it over to Albany. Can't be that far away. It's a nice day. Sun's out, a few clouds, a little nippy in the shade.
Yeah, we made it down here to Albany. Looks like a pretty good show. Walk in and see what's happening. Yeah, the old bucket. 23. Yeah, nice little driver. That's a low rider. And another one. Super 37. Back here at the Corvettes. That's a big car. Not only that, it had hydraulic brakes. Cool. Nice. Cool. That's a 33. Nice little assortment of cars. The 51 CAD, and I had a 52. And they were nice. 57. Look at the paint on this baby. Yeah.
Well, have a good day.
Nice. Well, that's about it for this car show. Can't say that it was really worth the drive, but yeah. First day out. By the way, here's a shorty, a 56 shorty, or a 55. See what the grill is here. 55. That's cute the way they do that. Oh, little thumper. I wonder if that was originally a four-door. Could have been. Everybody's got to write something.